Hello, macaroni cheese, mac and cheese, whatever you call it. It's a white sauce with pasta, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so a fairly large pot or pan you're gonna need. And you can see there I've got a nice knob of butter. Just over a tablespoon, maybe about a tablespoon. Let's gently melt that, so nice low heat. So keeping it nice and low, it's just melted there. So I'm now gonna add some flour. There's 3 tablespoons of flour there. This is a plain wheat white flour. Now what I like to do, I mean you can play around with it, but I like to go 3 flour to 1 butter. And again, keep it nice and low here. We're going to cook this in there for about 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. This is known in the trade as making a roux. This is called a roux. And what you need to do is you need to cook this flour, otherwise it's going to taste disgusting. It will just taste like you've eaten raw flour. So you want to kind of just cook it away about 5 minutes until you get a kind of biscuity, digestive biscuit, kind of shortbready taste. Keep it moving. Beautiful. You can actually taste that. Just grab a little bit out and you'll get that kind of biscuity flavour. That's where you want to be. Now we're going to add some milk. I've got a full fat milk here. We're going to add some in there. That was about 200 ml, and then we're going to be working this and working it. Now it's all lumpy right now, as you can see, but what we're going to do is, as we're mixing it in and stirring, it's going to really thin out. Can you see how that's completely gone thick? So of course, some more milk. And again, mix on this low heat. And again. Now I'm going to stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to add a little bit of nutmeg, just a little pinch or 2. And I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not going to add salt. Let's get that pepper in. I'm not adding salt because the butter that I've used is salted butter, and we're going to be adding cheese to this. So I find it salty enough, but you can adjust that if you want. Okay, more milk. In it goes. And we're going to raise the heat a little bit, not too much. So that was 800 ml of milk. We're going to go about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. That should thicken up and be delightful. So that is thickening up, still fairly thin, but it's thickening up nicely. What we're going to do now is we're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, grated cheese, in the mix. I mean, you can use a different cheese if you want, but cheddar's beautiful, and that's also going to help thicken this sauce a little bit. We don't want it too thick because obviously we're going to put our macaroni and our pasta in. Again, 2 more minutes, stirring all the time. And that's beautiful now. So I've got here my macaroni. I've got these kind of elbow things here. About 6 cups in total of cooked. In it goes. Let's just mix that in and cook that for about another 2 to 3 minutes. It's really simple. It's really beautiful. It's really sort of comforting food. So of course what you could do is put that into a oven-proof dish, get some more cheese on the top and bake it away, or serve it just like that. I've gone with a little bit of cayenne pepper on the top. Really, really simple, enjoyable, comforting. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.